Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video, an update on XRP, which is severely needed because we just got a major bearish breakout. I'm not going to call it a crash, but it is, it's significant, all right? Like you can see, and I was actually wrong because I thought that this level right here between 63 cents and 65 cents or 66 cents, I think I said a couple of days ago. I thought that would hold. It did provide some support. But in the end, the bearish pressure in the markets, and especially for XRP, because I have to be honest, these last 4 candlesticks are not as bullish or are not as bearish as those candlesticks for Bitcoin. But we do have to acknowledge that the market circumstances overall are bearish right now. And that was too much for XRP. We got a major bearish breakout, and now I think we're in trouble because now that support level, which I thought would hold, which I was wrong about, is our resistance. And it's going to take quite a lot to actually break above that again. All right, but that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we dive into XRP specifically though, I do want to say that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my trades, which this XRP long was not one of them because I didn't feel like taking it. I said that it was going to hold, but I didn't trust it enough to actually put money on it. So I send my own trading setups. You gain access to an exclusive traders chat room and also my trading guides. If that's interesting, if you want to become a better and more profitable trader, check that out. But for now, let's get into XRP. So, hope you're having a great weekend, by the way, so far. So what we're seeing is that the volume went up quite a bit because we had these big sell-offs, like in a matter of 5 minutes. Over, like, how much is this? This is like $80 million. Was transacted. So what we've seen is a sell-off by whales or institutions or market makers, who knows, but something like that has happened. All right, so that's what's going on, that's what happened. But now we have to talk about the technicals and what this means, because this actually does mean that we have this major resistance level right now between 65 and 64 cents, which is the 200 EMA, 0.618 of the entire move up after the SEC. And well, on top of that, the 236. I personally don't see a way in which we could break above that. All right, not for now. It's too much resistance. And apart from that, by breaking down below the 200 EMA, technically we are now just in a long-term downtrend. Like whereas before we were still, in a short-term downtrend and we were actually consolidating a bit. Right now, it's just really a downtrend. All right, so the most likely scenario now is that we held a bit of support right here at 61 cents. But the most likely scenario from here is that we'll find that will get up a little bit. And there's this small chance, all right? There's this small chance because these moves were also manipulated, that price will be manipulated and that XRP is able to get some sort of a close above at least 64.6 cents. So that's 0.646. If we can break above that, then we can actually stabilize. I don't expect a lot of bullish momentum because it will already cost a lot of momentum to get up there and break above that. But after that, we can stabilize and at least prevent further damage. But I do want to emphasize that something like this, like the chances of that are very, very low at this point in time. It looks way more likely, which if we actually use a more recent Fibonacci level as well to get a better 382 Fib, it looks more likely, and I'm even considering taking a short trade from here, that we will test this level right here around 65 cents and a bit below that. And that will just continue down towards our next support level around 60 and 58 cents, which it's the weekend, so we're probably not going to get a crash through that as well after getting this major crash. But at this point of time, I do think the most likely scenario is that we'll do some sort of a liquidity grab up here, followed by a move down towards that 60 and 58 cents area. So that's the most likely scenario for now. I'll keep you updated on XRP though, of course. But for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care and bye.